All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be diving into something new tonight. We're not going to be doing the Unreal Engine anytime soon. I do have something else lined up that we're going to be diving into and focusing most of our time on. As you can see here, I am back to my roots, how I started my actual journey, good old HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So with that being said, let me get in and show you what we're going to be working on. Like I said, we're not going to be doing the Unreal Engine for quite some time, so just get used to seeing us work on this project here. And the main reason is because, like I told you earlier, that the learning agents are the big buzz right now, and that's going to be the big wave of the future. And it's a growing environment, it's a growing field. I don't want to get left behind, so I want to make sure that I focus mostly all of my energy on my learning agents and making sure I'm off the brush on everything that's going on surrounding that environment. So, with that being said, this is also something I'm going to be doing while I'm working on my learning agents. Let me get this pulled open for you so I can show you what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, so this is going to be something that I'm going to be working on. As you can see here, transform your business with AI generated media services I'm going to be offering. This is the title of our page here, AI Media Studio, Next Gen Content Generation. We have our AI Media Studio. We have our services, our pricing, our try demo, our contact. Now, what I'm going to do is, well, I'm not going to tell you everything I'm going to do is, but when we do click on the try free demo, it should pull up one of the videos from one of my archives that I created already with our artificial intelligence generated media videos and images that I already have in stock on my YouTube and TikTok accounts. So yeah, that should be. I'm not gonna say it should be fairly easy to integrate over here, but that's the goal. I want to bring some of those videos over here to use as demos. So when they click on this demo button, it should play one of those videos for us. But again, this is something that we put together tonight. I've been working on this all day. So yeah, we're gonna put a pause on the Unreal Engine project and focus on building this website for our growing business. Yeah, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.